plenty of different ways to make your website unique. And if your site includes posts, inventory, or other forms of dynamic content, one of the best methods is to customize the way you present these listings. Our Loop Builder feature does just that. It's the perfect tool for presenting collections of dynamic information, like blog posts, real estate listings, recipes, and more. Use it to create a template that includes text, images, video, and other widgets. Then use this template to display all your selected content. Before you begin, there are a couple of things to set up. One is that you need to make sure you have containers turned on. You can do this by going to the Elementor tab on the WordPress dashboard and clicking on Settings. Look for Flexbox Containers and make sure it is set to Active or Default. Next, it's best to choose a site that has multiple posts on it. Let's start by creating a new page in your WordPress dashboard and click Edit with Elementor. Then locate the Loop Grid widget and drag it onto the canvas. After that, click Create a Template. This will prompt you to save your new template. Click Save. Once you've created a loop, you can reuse it by selecting Choose a Template. However, in this video, we're going to build one from scratch. You're now ready to start customizing your template. To do this, drag widgets onto the canvas. You can use any widget you'd like for your template. When designing, you should keep in mind 3 groups of widgets. 1. Widgets associated with posts. This includes the Featured Image widget, the Post Title widget, the Post Excerpt widget, and the Post Info widget. 2. Widgets that can incorporate dynamic content. Most widgets allow you to use dynamic content when setting them up. Check for the Dynamic Tags icon in the widget settings to see if a widget can incorporate dynamic content. 3. Static widgets. Widgets that either can't or don't contain dynamic information. Remember that if you do not use dynamic content, the displayed content will be fixed across the entire template. When using widgets with dynamic content, the information will be pulled from each post dynamically, meaning you don't have to manually insert the data for every individual post. For instance, the Featured Image widget will automatically display the featured image for each individual post. Once you are satisfied with the style and order of your widgets, click Save and Exit. This will take you back to your page to complete the process of building your loop. You will now see your page populated with all your posts, archived and designed to your specifications. If in the future you decide to change the template, just click Edit Template from the top left item. You also have the ability to build and edit a loop using the Theme Builder. To do so, open the Theme Builder and select Loop. Then click Edit to edit an existing loop or Add New to add a new loop. Now that we've covered the basics of inserting widgets into a template, let's look at ways to change its overall design. To do so, select Loop Grid from the navigator. After that, you'll see several options in the panel on the left of your screen. One of these options is the Layout tab. This tab will allow you to adjust the number of columns per page, as well as the total number of items per page. Use the Query menu to change the source and order of the items displayed. Use the Pagination menu to control whether or not page numbers will be shown and what they will look like. One thing to note is that if you don't set a pagination style, visitors will only see one page of items. Congratulations! You've learned how to use the Loop Builder and are ready to start creating your own loops. For more details about Loop Builder functions, check out the Elementor Help Center.